Hey everyone, if you're looking for an amazing SUV that has rear entertainment, heated and cooled seats, and a HEMI engine, then check out this brand new 2018 Dodge Durango. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2 years in a row. You can find out why at over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this bright red color. I love it, super bold. You've got this blacked out grille with your Dodge over on the side, and you have these projector beam headlamps with accent lamps below, and this has a front sensing system, so that will alert you to objects in front of your vehicle so you don't ever hit anything. And then you can see it has all this ventilation for your 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine. So super powerful, and this does have a tow package as well, so you'll be able to haul things behind with that. And then looking down at your wheels, these are 20-inch gloss black aluminum, so really big and bold right there. And then looking at your side mirrors, these are black with those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. That little triangle will light up so you don't hit anyone when you're passing on the interstate or anything like that. This also does have keyless entry. Alright, so looking at these seats, they are black leather. You've got that RT embroidered right there in the center in red. Super soft. You have that ventilation right here because these are heated and cooled, so or that perforation, so super comfortable. Both sides are power adjustable, and you do have memory settings on your driver's side. Then over to your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, your hands-free voice communication controls, and your cruise control settings with adaptive cruise control. So that sets the distance between you and the car in front of you, so you don't have to keep resetting your cruise control. You've also got your media controls and paddle shifters on the back. And over to your 8.4-inch media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your navigation system right here. So that will take you to your destination using this map so you don't get lost. You also have your phone settings here, so you can make and receive phone calls right there. And you've got your controls for your heated and ventilated seats and your heated steering wheel, plus your backup camera. So that gives you a clear picture of what's behind your vehicle. You have those guidelines to help you out as well. And then Uconnect has tons of other apps, and you have projection, so you can put your smart device screen onto this screen. You have Wi-Fi hotspot, all that stuff. And if you want to have something else down below, the new system of Uconnect allows you to replace stuff. So if you want to put that down there, then you can just switch them out, just like that. You also have your climate controls, which are dual. You can have them set the same or different, so to your liking. You also have your rear climate controls right there. And then your media center. So this controls your rear entertainment system and all of your devices that you hook up. And then here, of course, is your radio. You can subscribe. This does come with 1 year subscription to Sirius XM radio because it is a brand new vehicle, and then after that you have to subscribe. Then you have all of your buttons down below for your radio and your climate controls, plus sport mode, eco mode, your lane departure warning, and your sensing systems where you can turn this on and off. And then you have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12 volt right there. So 2 cup holders right here in the middle. I love all this matte black in the center with your all-wheel drive. And then looking into your center console, you've got tons of space, plus your Blu-ray DVD player for your rear entertainment system, and a 12 volt right there. Now looking up, this does have SOS Assist, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls for your sunroof, so it lets some light and air inside this front seat. And then on your way out, you will see that this does have a Beats sound system. Okay, so looking in this back, you do have quad seating, so 2 seats in the middle and then 2 more in the third row. This does have a center console area, so I love this because it gives you some storage space in these back rows. You have a USB and a 12 volt, so you can charge your devices there, and it does have a top layer as well, just for other stuff. And then you have 2 cup holders here for obviously your beverages and whatnot. And these 2 seats in the middle row are heated, so you have your 2 heated buttons, 2 USB ports, and a 115 volt. Then you have your rear entertainment system. So this does have the Uconnect theater, so you have 2 screens, so you can play your DVDs and everything. And you can also hook up anything else with your HDMI and your AV ports right there, 1 on each side. And you've got your climate controls up top there. Now these seats can fold down flat, or you can pull them up to give you a way to get into the third row. So you've got 2 more seats right there with 2 cup holders, 1 on each side. Looking up, you've got your roof rack up top, your lip spoiler right there, and then your LED tail lamps that stretch across the back of your vehicle right here. And then you have your tow package underneath here with your rear sensing systems that will prevent you from backing up into any objects because it will alert you. Plus you have your RT and your badging over there in black. And this has your power lift gate and your remote start right there on your key fob, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. And you have some space back here. You do have this sunshade that you can pull out to kind of protect your stuff, and more room down below. These seats can also be folded forward, so you can fold them down to give you extra space back here. So if you want to have just the first 2 rows and then have the 3rd row folded down, then that'll give you more space in your trunk area. So, I mean, just top features with this 2018 Durango. So many features in your media center. You've got that rear entertainment system plus that 3rd row seating. So if you want to see this Dodge Durango or any of our other SUVs, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Recommend Woodies to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
I already have.
Wow, that's crazy. Thank you.
You're welcome.